Hi, Mitchell Levy, the AHA guy from AHA That. And who are you? Now, you know the expertise you have. You know what you do to help solve your prospects' pain points, to help them be successful. Now, if they're your prospect, do they know that? Now, how do you become that expert? Well, lots of time and effort, what you're doing. How do you make sure other people see you as the expert? Well, one thing you could do, spend 3 years of your life, a couple $100K, and acquire a PhD. Here's another one. This one, a whole lot less time, a whole lot less money. As a matter of fact, time-wise, give us 2 hours of your time. Ready? We will do a interview with you for 2 hours. We will pull the genius out of your head. And then my team will write the book for you. What are we going to talk about? We're going to talk about the pain points that your prospects have. We're going to talk about how you deal with those. What are the objections when they come and talk to you? Basically, it's going to be a conversation that focuses on you and the primary pain point that you have when you're dealing with your customers. We will then pull that together and write it into an AHA book. It's a social media enabled ebook where you now have a couple quarters of social media content to share. We'll turn that into a PDF, into a Kindle, into paperback and hardcover. We print our paperback and hardcovers in color so that when you hand somebody a hardcover color of your book with color on the inside, by the way, very easy to read because we have 140 bite-sized quotes to capture their attention. It's absolutely brilliant. It's a great way for you to share this content both on social media and in physical form. You are taking advantage of the pain points that your prospects have and letting them know that you're the person who could solve their problem. How do your prospects find you? If they have a problem, they're going to go to a friend. They're going to ask. If they know about you, hey, that's great. If they don't know about you, what's the friend they're going to go to? YouTube or Google. They can say, how do I solve my problem? You know what you want? You want your book to pop up because the title of your book has the pain point of your prospect's issues. 2 hours of your time. We will then do that. There's a little bit of review afterwards where you're reviewing your content. It's your book. We're a publisher. We'll distribute it in all the places it need to be. And this is your way to get your book out quickly. For just 2 hours of your time, you can be recognized as the expert who could solve your prospects' pain points. What are you waiting for? Go to the bottom of the page, click on the gold button, and you get a AHA book, a PDF, a Kindle. You get 100 paperback copies of your book and 25 hardcover copies. You are the author of the book. You own 100% of the copyright. And if your book sells and makes a lot of money, you get 51% of profit. So go to the bottom of the page, click on the gold button. You get all of that. If you decide that the physical copies are just too much right now, you can click on the silver button and you get the PDF, the AHA book, and the Kindle version, and you can upgrade at some point in the future. That said, it is absolutely worth it. There is nothing better than the gold package to take a hardcover book and hand this to a prospect, put your own personal autograph signature on it, 2 hours of your time, a little bit of review, go to the bottom of the page, click on the button. Thanks. Look forward to working with you. Bye now.